Hi, in this video, I'm going to derive the formula to find the sum of the squares of n natural numbers. So let's start. Sum of the squares of two natural numbers. Let's take first only two natural numbers and see how to find the squares of two natural numbers. See, we know the identity that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So, if you take plus xy, 2xy on the left side, it becomes x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. So here what it is you're finding, you found the squares of two natural numbers. So squares of two natural numbers, x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. So sum of the squares of two numbers is x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Now we try for three natural numbers. Sum of the squares of three natural numbers. We know x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. So this is an identity. So you have three squares here. So let's take the remaining terms to the left. You see it takes the form x square plus y square plus z square is equal to x plus y plus z whole square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. So this is the squares of three natural numbers. So sum of the squares of three numbers is x square plus y square plus z square is given by the formula x plus y plus z bracket raised to 2 minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Now we go for finding the squares of n natural numbers. N natural numbers means what? Squares of n natural numbers. So what we need to find is sum of n square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to n square. So for finding this, we need to make use of this identity. What is it? To find the sum, we make use of the below identity. X raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 is equal to x minus y, second bracket, x square plus xy plus y square. So it is, now let us take n. So n raised to 3 minus n minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to, so your place of x you should write n, and in place of y you should write n minus 1. So it is, first bracket is x minus y. So x is n minus 1. When you open the bracket, it becomes minus n plus 1. Second bracket, we will have x is n, so it's n square, plus x is n, y is n minus 1, plus y is n minus 1 whole square. Now here if you see n minus n, this will cancel, only 1 remains here, and we open this bracket. So it takes this form. Here there is only 1, this is n square, open this n into n square, minus n into 1 is n, plus n minus 1 whole square. Here we further use the identity a minus b whole square here. So n square plus n square minus n, a minus b whole square is n square minus 2n plus 1. Now if you see here n square, n square, n square, we have got n square 3 times. N and 2n minus 2n, both are negative, it will have be minus 3n plus 1. So n raised to 3 minus n minus 1 raised to 3 is 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Okay, now let us take this. So n raised to 3 minus n minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Let us take this as the first equation. Now let us take the next term, n minus 1 cube minus n minus 2 cube. So here in place of n you will write n minus 1 and you will substitute in the same form condition. So 3 into n minus 1 whole square minus 3 into n minus 1 plus 1. This is your second equation. Now let's take one more. n minus 2 cube minus n minus 3 cube. So here, in place of n, you write n minus 2. So it is 3 into n minus 2 whole square minus 3 into n minus 2 plus 1. Let us take this as the third equation. So it continues like this. We go further. So when you do that, lastly we come to 2 square minus 1 square. That is 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. And 1 raised to 3 minus 0 raised to 3. That is 3 into 1 raised to 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So this will be your last step. Okay. So we have got this first equation, second equation, third equation, fourth, and this is our last step. So now what we need to do is, by adding all the above steps, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on till the last step. So what we'll be getting? So we'll get n raised to 3 minus n minus 1 raised to 3 plus n minus 1 raised to 3 minus n minus 1 2 raised to 3 plus n minus 2 raised to 3 and so on it goes. And this 2 raised to 3 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 raised to 3 minus 0 raised to 3 is equal to, now the first terms, if you consider all the first terms, 3, 1 square. So if you see here, the first terms, here all the first terms, n square, n minus 2 square, all squares we take first. All these terms we take first in one, put them in one bracket. Then we take all these terms in the second bracket. And then all 1, 1, 1 in the third. So how it will look? So it is 3 bracket 1 square plus 3 bracket 2 square plus 3n minus 2 square plus 3n minus 1 square plus 3n square and minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3 and so on. 3 into n minus 2 plus 3 into n minus 1 plus 3n. And the last one will be 1, 1, 1, 1 adding up, it will be n times. Now if you see here, in this first, plus minus they cancel. Plus minus cancel. So like this, all the terms will cancel except the first and the last term. So what is left out is n raised to 3 minus 0 raised to 3. That will be the next step. So if you see here, n raised to 3 minus 0 raised to 3 will be left with, in this is equal to, here 3 is common in all these terms. Let us take out 3 common. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on, n minus 2 square plus n minus 1 whole square plus n square minus the second bracket 3 into 1 plus, again 3 is common here. Let us take out 3 common. So here it is 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2, 3 up to n plus 1, 1, 1, it is n times. So it takes this form. So that means 3 into sum of n square in plus 3 into sum of n plus n. So that means it will be taking this form, n raised to 3 minus 0 raised to 3 is equal to 3 into summation of n square minus 3 into summation of n plus n. Now, to take this, so 0 cube is 0. So it is only n cube is equal to 3 into summation n square and sum of n terms of sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 is there. So 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus this n. So that is, because sum of n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is the sum of n natural numbers. So let's open the bracket. So 3 into sum of natural. So let us see here. Let's keep this here. Take these two terms to the left. So when you take these two terms to the left, so 3n square. So 3 into summation of n square is equal to n raised to 3 plus 3n into n plus 1 by 2 minus n. So it is n raised. Here let us take n common. When you take out n common, your n is outside taken out. So n square will remain plus 3, as n is outside, n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So This 3 you bring it down, it becomes n upon 3 is equal to n square, 3n plus 3 upon 2 minus 1. Let us take LCM of the bracket. So when I take LCM of the bracket, so 2 should be multiplied with this. So 2n square plus 3n plus 3 minus 2. So again, this 3 and 2, you multiply them. So n upon 6 it becomes. So 2n square plus 3n. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2n square plus 3n plus 1. Now let us try to factorize this. So we are splitting this middle term. 3n has 2n plus n. When you split the middle term as 2n plus n, so take these two terms in a bracket, take these two and take out common from these two. What happens? Factorizing the quadratic equation. So if you see here, 2n is common here. Take out 2n. So if you take out 2n, 1n is means 2n is totally outside. So 1 plus common nothing is there. So write 1 and n plus 1. n plus 1 is common here. So again take out common. So you will have n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into n by 6. What is this? This is the sum of n squares. That means sum of the squares of n natural numbers. So summation of n square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the sum of the squares of n natural numbers is given by the formula summing n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Hope you understood the derivation and will remember the formula. Okay. I think this is clear. What I want to do is thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more. Before you leave it, please click on the like button and also the subscribe. My channel is Easy Learning and that is my phone number. Okay.